Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Thursday. Well, today as you can see we have an unbagging, so that means we have a review. So let's find out what is inside. Well, I see a kit. Oh, we have two kits. And these kits come from the DiamondArtDecor store, and they are formerly known as DIY Choose. And if they have any specials or any discount codes, or if I have any, they'll be right in here and in the description box below. So let's put the scissors away before Laura gets stabbed. And we'll start with the first one. It is a Joy Sunday kit. In fact, they are both Joy Sunday kits. And they're not too terribly big. So let's see what we got in here. I love those Joy Sunday bags. They're nice and easy to use with these smaller kits. This one is a 34 by 26. It's called Bird and Kettle. I just thought it was kind of cute. And there's going to be some nominal back stitching. It looks like straight line back stitching. And it is a partial. So, yeah, it should be fairly easy. Yes, I know it looks like spring, but, you know, we need a little spring in our life because it's kind of chilly these days. And this kit was $6.19, so not too expensive. But I just like the birds and the butterflies and the little daisies, and we have a little nest thing going here. So, yeah, just kind of cute. Let's take a look at the paper pattern. It is 145 by 105 in stitches. And, oh, here we go. I was like, where are the numbers? So we have two sets of numbers. The first set goes to the paper pattern. Second set over here goes to the canvas. That way you have an easy reference guide, because sometimes on these smaller ones it can be a little hard to read. So let's see what colors we have. We have 310 black. We have 666 red. No 823, no 939. And we're using B5200 for the white. So there are 26 colors in full stitch. There's a total of 27 colors. Now we have a French knot and a back stitch, so no half cross stitch in this. So yeah, I figured it would be nice and easy to work on. Even this time of year, we can get ready for spring now, right? We can always hope, huh? Oh, geez. So, for some odd reason, they've started doing this, and they're just looped over. And we do have the two needles, so there's no DMC codes or anything here. The DMC code was on the paper pattern. So we have a lovely purple, we have our black, 310, three shades of gray, kind of a goldish color. There's your 666 red. So not too much thread here. We do have a lovely turquoise and a lovely green here. It's kind of an olive green, and this is all of the B5200 that you have. So not too much at all. But just very beautiful, beautiful array of colors. Just gorgeous. So it ought to pick that white canvas just right up with all those gorgeous colors. But sometimes, now this is a very good size. You can see the number for the thread card, the symbol, and the DMC number. So I don't see a problem reading it like you can sometimes. It is serged all the way around. It is 34 centimeters or 13¼ inches by 10 1/4 inches or 26 centimeters. The actual picture size is 7½ inches or 19 centimeters by 26½ centimeters or almost 10½ inches. So very nice size, very easy, straightforward. The back stitching is going to bring everything together. So very nicely done. It's not wet. I love that. And the canvas is nice. Very nice. Good job. All right, let's check this next one out. Get it out of the Joy Sunday bag. This one was $6.89. So not very, expensive either. Let me flip it over. So we have these lovely little birds. I can't tell if it's winter or spring, but it is fair good size and very nominal back stitching. You have a couple branches over here, a little bit on the bird and some on their feet, but that is it. Now there'll probably be some half cross stitch in this because I see it kind of, what do you call the word? Kind of muted colors, so that kind of makes me think of half cross stitch. It's called Three Little Birds number 5. But yeah, isn't it cute? I just love the colors in the birds. They do such a good job. This one is 187 by 116. And let's open that up. Very nice big pattern. Very easy to see where the back stitching goes. You can see it on their beak and a little bit of branches here and there. But yes, this background is mostly half cross stitch. Let me just, and the rest of it is of course on this side. Same thing with the back stitching. There's a little bit around the bird's wing and their head, but very nominal. Very, very nominal. Let's take a look at the colors. I'm just going to fold that kind of nicely. This one, $6.89, so it's a little bit bigger, not by much, than the last one. So we have half stitch, back stitch, and full stitch. Total of 23 colors. The top section is for the paper pattern, bottom section is for the canvas. I'm glad they're doing this because I can put it right back into the Joy Sunday bag where the window is, and that way I can see what the symbol is for a certain color. So very nicely done. We have 23 colors in full stitch, 5 colors in half stitch, and 5 colors in back stitch. The colors we have are 310 black, 666 red. We have 3371 in this one, which is that dark brown. And once again, B5200 for the white. So very nice. And most of that white is going to be in that background, I'm thinking. Oh, there's a little bit on each of the birds for the white color. So yeah, and you could add as much back stitching to this as you'd like, to kind of dress it up. So just go for it. So we have 1 thread card, 2 needles. This is the thread card we're used to seeing with how many threads, the DMC, and the number of the colors. So we have B5200. This is 3756. Look at that salmon color. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that blue. And not too much of 3371. Excuse me. Choked on my own spit. That's 304. I didn't know what color red that was. I don't think I've had that. And there's your 666 red. Nominal 310 black. Little yellow, little bit of blue, some oranges to bring all that out. So very nice colors, just very nice. I like that. I like that this is simplified. Let's take a look at the canvas. And the back stitching is going to make this. This is a partial as well. It has a white frame around the center part, but the center part is pretty flush. And part of that, I'm trying to see. Some of these are half cross stitches and they are mixed in with these things. So very nice. And it has not been wet. I'm looking for my tape measure. Let's see. 41.5 centimeters, or a little over 16.25 inches by 28.5 centimeters, or about 11.25 inches. Actual picture size is, including the frame around the picture, is 21 centimeters or 8.25 inches. And this way it is 13.25 inches or almost 34 centimeters. So once again, not too bad. I think it's going to be beautiful. I really do. And I'm kind of thinking, now that I see it, it kind of looks like winter and like there is snow on these branches. So we may save this kit alone, for my January Saturday stitching. So do check that out. It's at 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, USA. So do check that out. But today I think we're going to start the one with the watering cans. Now, DiamondArtDecor, thank you for sending me these two beautiful kits. I love them both. And they have cross-stitch diamond painting and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of that. And they have scrapbooking, quill. I've never done that quill paper thing. I got a little tiny kit like 100 years ago and went, no. So I've kind of avoided it like the plague, but some people like it. My aunt used to do all kinds of that paper quilling thing back in the day when it was, you know, really a big thing. It may be a big thing now, so nothing against it. It's just too much fiddly with me. Couldn't do it. My hands are too klutzy. I can handle a needle. Yeah. But they always have great prices and a big selection, so do check them out. Thank you everyone for watching today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.